Okay, so hi everyone, welcome to first episode of my new craft journey with Dress My Craft as DMC Gems. I would like to thank Shalini Mittal for giving us, there are other crafters also, giving us this opportunity to be a part of Dress My Craft. It's a new start and it's a good start and I'm really excited, so I'm sure you would be excited too. And thank you all of you for your support, for your love on my Instagram profile. And so Instagram family, thank you so much for all your support. So a little bit about Dress My Craft. It's a premium venture of one of the best craft stores in India known as Crafters Corner. And Dress My Craft, as the name suggests, it's all about dressing up your crafty projects. They manufacture all kinds of premium and basic craft supplies, and you can visit them at their website dressmycraft.com.